Doing it on Omega. Episode 397, Part 1. DRYTRON versus CRUSADIA. And I lose terribly. Look at his hand here. I set Diviner. And that's it. What the f was that? I don't get why he didn't pop with the Dragoon and he didn't attack with the birthday. I'm not sure if he attacked. I don't think so. Just a suicide, and it was over from here. Turn 4. Hey, it says his name on the replay, but in game it does not say his name. Maybe he's on incognito mode. If you're on incognito mode, you should not even show up on here because you don't want to be known on replay. Part 2. And I don't know if there's a way, but I think we should be able to see what cards they draw. Also, even like if we go like this, we could see which card should be drawn next. That'd be cool. Emergency. Alpha. I was okay. Cause yeah, this guy was gonna pop this. I should have did no, cause if I did that, if I would have did Alpha, and I would have did Ben or Eva, I would not even be banished in the first place. Oh, he IP'd into Avermax. Avermax was gonna attack Dragoon, but then I was gonna droplet. They chained the CRUSADIA power, not as unaffected by card effects this turn. Except its own. Oh, so he loses. Pretty sure he loses the protection from IP Masquerena. And Eva's gonna get the Herald. I was debating to go send the Alpha, but then I wouldn't be able to even banish to get another card. Never max attack effect. It's gonna add as much attack as it has. It's got 4,000, right? Yeah. Jesus. Still get the. I was like, well, I'll just ritual summon and take his monster. That's what I did. I ritualed for Natasha, but I can't even. How did this guy leave the field? Oh yeah, I was gonna link. Well, this guy can't be targeted, and I don't even have a Cyber Angel to banish. I was gonna try to attack his monster, but Abramax is the only one that I can attack, so linked off for Nightmare Phoenix. And of course he has Red Eyes Fusion, Red Eyes Pop, and oh, that guy wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Does he have a deck? Come on, show the deck. Yes, 397. Can't even type 397. Okay. Where am I? What am I? Oh, okay. Go online. We are back to bronze. 1164 to 1162. Check out his deck. 397. Righter. Here we go. It's a 45 card. Looks like CRUSADIA Goon. Maybe I should go like that. No. That's pretty cool, actually. The two of those? Yeah. Looks pretty cool. And 259, still at 259. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, so if you liked it. See you guys.